Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, we are going to calculate the angle theta naught given in the problem. So we need to calculate this theta naught. Let's apply the law of conservation of energy to calculate this angle. So we can write Ti plus Vi is equals to Tf plus Vf. Here this Ti is the initial kinetic energy, Vi is the initial potential energy, Tf is the initial final kinetic energy, and this Vf is the final potential energy. Now this can be written as 0 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 into 1 divided by 2 k theta naught square is equals to 0 plus mgh. Now this can be further written as 2 into 1 divided by 2 into the value for k is 0.7 Newton meter into theta naught square is equals to value for m is 150 kg, and then here we can write 9.81 meter per second square into value of h, which is equals to 1.5 meter. So from here we can write the value for this theta naught as theta naught is equals to 56.15 radians. Now let's convert this value into revolution. So we can write this one as theta naught is equals to 56.15 radians multiplied by 1 revolution divided by 2 pi radians. So from here we can write the value for theta naught as theta naught is equals to 8.94 revolutions. This is the required answer. Thank you.